Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit subscribe and click the bell button so you won't miss any new videos from me. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your username in Skype. So all you need to do is just open your Skype and sign in. Just put your username and your password because in my case, it's automatic. So after that, you can click the three dot here on top and then settings. After that, click on your profile and it will give you a prompt to go to browser. After that, just click edit profile and then whatever name you want and save it. And then go back to your Skype and there you have it. So your name successfully changed. I hope this video helped you and see you on my next video. Bye!